I have a lot of big brothers I respect a lot. Of course, respect is the thing. But those that I've been close with and I'm still close with, I have Adebayo as one of those. Yeah, yeah, and definitely Asamoah Gyan has been a big brother from time. I've hardly heard from him lately. I think the last time I checked, I was blocked. I don't know, but
yeah, then we go speak English. Or make you speak correct English.
From this TV.
But whilst we wait, we just want to say thank you, because maybe 7 years ago, say every year with a link. But 7 years around this time, you pull up for me where be something where I can never ever forget in my life. Where it be like yesterday, I say okay.
It be like yesterday, 7 years.
Because me myself, if you go remember, it be like we were from I think 7 years ago or 6 years. I shared with you say one day when the time is right, I have it on my heart say the world will know. And all that time on me and you my senior brother, we dey deal, we dey go back and forth,
Ebusia me mo akwa ba from this TV so na se na e dey kan we pimo channel we so a na se we be subscribe, like, comment na share na ebusia no so nya den enya kese na ene Stonebwoy Bim Nation president e dey awrawo sam bi e dey e da tudwa a che se o kirem se omo a like onom eye free pa che se anobo Adebayo din anobo Asamoah Gyan din na oka Asamoah Gyan no Asamoah Gyan ablock no onima de kunta Asamoah Gyan na dey ablock na abusu asa wo be kai a Stonebwoy ba be ye video bi e ka se ebra na ne nan no ha no okonya accident a kire se sabio na ne nan ha no a kire se na ha no pa te se Asamoah Gyan na e man scar wode ekoye edi tu kwan a kire se okosa na ho ye den okosa na ho ya de kire se na obi ampo onim da na ode ye den ode tu dwa na ode ba tu dwa se Asamoah Gyan ablock no onim de ntia Asamoah Gyan na de ablock so wo fra nko later no hu say baby jet ablock no a kire se
I have a lot of big brothers I respect a lot. Of course, respect is the thing. But those that I've been close with and I'm still close with, I have Adebayo as one of those. Yeah, yeah, and definitely Asamoah Gyan has been a big brother from time. I've hardly heard from him lately. I think the last time I checked, I was blocked. I don't know, but I don't know. But that wouldn't be the first time.
abusia sa se me da na ya se unum de waye nipa so nipa no do ho asema den ahye ni mu e na ono so no e ti se edidi ni mu e na ho so wadwe mu pefe na ne nam wo se bia asoma se de menwa no nti no o ti nya den enya mi se national
and now pana Stonebwoy a tweet say he's grateful. Yes, he's forever grateful to Asamoah Gyan. It's answer 7 years ago. Asamoah Gyan and a fan surgery bill. Asamoah Gyan etwiama na chese thousands of euros. Asamoah Gyan etwiama na chese ne surgery a okoye e won nan no. Yes. Chese when twiaka prekra. Now after that, and Asamoah Gyan after Stonebwoy on video call. Let's watch the video.
And I make ask the fans, can you hear the pidgin English, or let's speak class 1, class 2 English so that you can hear what we're talking about?
We wait for like 5 comments. Maybe speak.
Yeah, then we'll go speak English. Or make you speak correct English.
Correct English.
But whilst we wait, we just want to say thank you, because maybe 7 years ago, say every year with a link. But 7 years around this time, you pull up for me where be something where I can never ever forget in my life. Where it be like yesterday, I say okay.
It be like yesterday, 7 years.
Because me myself, if you go remember, it be like we were from I think 7 years ago or 6 years. I shared with you say one day when the time is right, I have it on my heart say the world will know. And all that time on, me and you, my senior brother, we they deal, we they go back and forth, nobody they hear whatever. But now I see you yourself be shocked because I don't say I message you and say, I say yes. It's really, really important. So it's all about appreciation and gratitude because
Charlie.
you be so my big brother way. I know me like they don't know. May I tell them another secret? You see, go higher video, the original go higher video, go higher. We shoot all for senior my house. That time, you know, he didn't even launch his house. Gave me the whole mansion to shoot a video in there. But we shot the whole video and the producer he decided to say the video he go spoil up. So he spoil up. Where the video match up. We know if you release go higher away like for day because you know, but first thing I'm grateful because house where you build way be one of the most expensive mansions in Ghana at the time.
Yeah.
Except you leave them for me. They make I support the arts. That one put the request. The other one I don't go fit talk because if I talk I maybe arrest go pick this.
I remember.
You see, so but the main one be say, you know, say my surgery set Nagasano, it be something with day my heart. I don't really talk about it too much, the details, the here and there, maybe once and twice, but that one on the side. I just want to appreciate you again and again and again. And God knows, say, you know the kind of person way I be as your junior brother and the kind of mentality we share.
Yeah.
And the kind of heart we meet I get towards friendship. Yeah, so I just want to say God bless you so much and prosper your generation because, you know, one thing where you tell me this thing, you don't want anything, no. You just want to make it be good to others.
Yeah.
And sincerely speaking, if you don't show anything, you show me say the good what they do to others, no. You know, be talking until they go come tell what you have done. If it is truly from your heart, you know, they open top. So God richly bless you. I want the hands down. So it didn't say the time reach where I go knock you ground like that. Do up.
Sorry. 7 years pa. Hey.
Yeah.
It be life. What is that?
Yeah.
When you do things for people, nah. Who say you have been now? Say, oh, women are here, yeah, women are here, yeah.
Do one and Ukraina Ubua. Do and Ukraina out to me can't rock a home.
What is fight is boom?
What a monk, a monk.
That is why, as I forecast, I'm in a pan kasa. I'm in a pan kasa. Oh, we have good people here. We have good people in Ghana. We have rich people. Rich. You can't say rich and rich. But they're there, they know they talk. But yeah, now you frequent, no? Quench. Yeah, that's how the world is. So me, what I do, I see this thing. No disrespect to you, but you dare stage. Sometimes I feel say Charlie, the energy the guy gets, now he don't want to do what he want to do. You understand?
Yeah.
The energy you they take come stage. Once they open to BB, but you see say something they block you.
Thank you.
So the time you contact me, you know, you see they ask you say, what that's what say then do the leg, you go become normal, you go walk normal. What you say, yeah. When you show me everything, how the thing will be, then everything. You don't remember?
Cry.
Wait, Ali.
Cry.
And I'm not being caught. The enemy, you know. Like, Charlie, somebody will get energy like that way, Charlie. Something they block him. You know, they do 50% of what they want to do. Why don't you help him? How come make you go there?
You see, and even now you just share this one to the world to make them know how your thought process was doing that. You know, all right.
You know the way. If and this be advice for everybody. If you are in the position to do something, when you see Charlie, you get the power. Why you not go do? So you don't. If you are not in that position, only Nyanko point him. But if you are in that position, so that one there, Charlie, me appreciate. We do something where you come back, can't thank me. Understand? So,
especially in the public eye, that one there, you know, say that one right from the beginning. When me myself I tell you, say no, the right time will come because at that time it will look like it's allowed because I didn't hear fresh into Kai and IBB. Once I did. Just was and I mean the cattle. Head thereof. But I don't percent mom who say this be how the whole thing happened. A day, that time for you to get somebody like you or someone to call you say they will bang, you know, it be serious thing because you know be joke. Yeah. And I've always expressed that from time. So I'm so friends say you could push you. It's even brana. I'm saying, why not? No question, I mean, you was there. I'm so beside me, say,